Welcome to our Excel trainings. Innovations continue in Microsoft Excel, dear friends. New features make Excel more powerful. With the focal feature in the View menu in Excel 365, we could now directly mark the row or column of a cell we clicked in Excel. It was a new feature. Now, with a newly added feature, the Show Auto Highlight option, we can now directly mark an option we searched for or found. While this is selected, for example, let's press Ctrl F, and from here, for example, let's write sales and find all by saying, look, let's find it from here. As you can see, the expressions that say sales appear directly in front of us with a direct mark. In the Find windows, we will now easily find where a value we search for is on our page. If you want this as an option, you can disable it when you uncheck it here. Let's also disable focal. When you press Ctrl F, look, when you say Find All, it is only here. We see that there are 8 prices. Normally we would select this by pressing Ctrl A, the countless expressions here. Now in new versions, when you select the Show Auto Highlight option with the focus feature and press Ctrl F again and find a value, we can mark them directly in the page. A very new feature for Excel 365 users will come to all Excel 365 users soon. If you want to access these features from the keyboard, you can go by pressing the Alt key on the keyboard and using the menu keys above.